Welcome to another video. In this, I will walk you through one of the most important concepts in object-oriented programming, which is constructors. We will cover what they are, the different types, and their advantages. First, starting with the introduction, a constructor is a special method used to initialize objects. It has the same name as the class and does not have a return type. It is automatically called when you create an object. Let's take a look at an example. In this student class, we made a constructor which has the same name and do not have a return type. This constructor is initialized when we made an object. Now, let's discuss types of constructors in C#. First type, default constructor. This type of constructors has no parameters and it initializes object with default values. An example is added to make it clearer. However, the earlier example was also of a default constructor. Another type is parameterized constructor. This takes parameters to initialize the object with specific values. I have added an example which shows a name variable of data type string as the parameter of our constructor. Next part of this video is advantages of constructors. So let's dive deep into it. The first advantage is constructor overloading. Multiple constructors allow flexible ways to create objects so that the objects can initialize with different values. In this example, we have two constructors with different parameters. Second advantage is automatic initialization. Constructor is called automatically when an object is created, so we do not need to call it manually. In this example, the constructor is automatically initialized when we made an object of the class. Last but not least, constructors save time. Constructors are very useful as they help reducing the amount of code. If we take a look at the examples, we can create the code without constructors or with constructors. The code without constructors is length and have repetition of some things, while the code with constructor is short and easy to understand. This was all for now. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe.